What is up, guys? It is Creeper Killers here, and today we're back at Crackdown 2, and I got a hammer!
Yeah, me too.
Well, everyone that is in the server right now, you're on YouTube!
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to do some trolling this time maybe, but I don't think there's anyone that is not on a friends list in the server. So we can't troll. Maybe we'll be able to do that next time, but we can do other stuff.
That nearby gun turret would cut the enemy to ribbons.
Hey TNT, there's a gun turret over here.
People cool. People cool. Let's go in there. Let's go in there.
Okay.
Let's fight these bad guys.
I am. Dude, bro, what you doing?
Tactical
Trying to get it
location
up
is
here.
in sight. Enter it and request air support.
What the? No! Wrong button.
There's too much cell resistance here.
Let's crush
Dispose of the threats
him!
marked on your track.
Hoorah!
Use your HUD and your tracker to identify
Boom!
cell threats.
Take that,
Then eliminate
son!
them, so air support can scramble.
Oh, my hammer! No, give me back my hammer! My hammer. Mine. Hammer!
Wear him down.
Bah!
Everybody follow me. Everybody follow me.
No, I'm taking out this tactical location. Smash! Boosh! Get wrecked, son!
Hey, Turner. Turner, do you see me? So, I'm over here.
Why?
Come over here, Turner. I need your help. I'm
The
gonna need your
Dodge
help.
entrance is under
Over here.
agency control. But we still need you to clear the area around the
Yeah,
beacon prototype.
boosh! And
TNT. Over here, bro. I need your
that
help.
guy just got pwned. 4 peacekeepers against 1 cell unit. Lol.
Alright, there's people down here.
Ascending the heights to acquire agility orbs is the most effective way to develop your athleticism.
Creepers.
What?
Creepers. I
What?
need your help, bro.
What do you need?
I need your help. To help fight these bad guys.
I can do that.
Alright.
Okay,
There's
I'm on my
machine
way.
guns up here. There's
Boosh.
machine guns up here.
Oh, I don't need that machine gun. I have my big
Take out the
hammer.
threats marked on your track.
Okay, I'm
Use
here.
your HUD and your
down.
tracker to
I'm about to
identify
down.
cell threats.
Oh, you
Then
get out of
eliminate
here. I got
so air
this.
support can scramble.
I said
You
swam.
late for another appointment, Agent? Return to the tactical location.
I said wham. Punk, get wham. Get wham. Oh, I just shut the door on him. Oh, I just shut the door on him. Yo.
Dude, we got 50 seconds left.
Okay.
Hey, Creepers.
Yeah.
How do you do the line train?
Okay, dude, I'm gonna have to shut it, dude.
Well, thank you all so much for watching.
Don't let up.
Sorry about the short video, but I'll see all you guys next time.